Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Skyrim on PC. First, ensure your game is installed via a platform like Steam. Next, optimize your graphics settings for smooth gameplay, perhaps aiming for 60 frames per second. Finally, familiarize yourself with the keyboard and mouse controls, using W, A, S, D for movement, and the mouse for camera and attacks. This foundational setup will prepare you for your epic journey. After installation, you'll create your character. Select one of 10 unique races, like a Nord for combat or a High Elf for magic, each offering distinct starting bonuses. Then, customize your appearance and initial skill focus. Following the first few main quests will gently introduce you to the world, teaching you essential mechanics and guiding your initial steps in this vast, open world. Combat in Skyrim is dynamic, allowing you to master various styles. You can wield a two-handed sword, cast powerful spells, or snipe foes with a bow. Exploration is key. Discover hidden dungeons, complete side quests, and uncover valuable loot across the expansive map. Always keep an eye on your compass and map to navigate the diverse landscapes and find your next adventure. As you play, your skills improve with use, from one-handed combat to illusion magic. Each time you level up, you gain a perk point to invest in skill trees, unlocking powerful new abilities. For an even richer experience, consider exploring the vast world of community-made modifications. These mods can add new content, improve graphics, or even introduce entirely new gameplay mechanics, offering endless possibilities.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.